Hello, Resto-Rob here, and welcome to the new year 2024. And here is my first tool haul of the year. So sit back, relax, and let's check out my score. So to start out with the tool haul, I kind of separated some stuff out just to show you. First off, we have the Ashi tools, a 30 millimeter and a 32 millimeter wrench. Obviously, Japan. We found in action. I know who likes action. Next, I found a Cal 13/16 to go in my Cal collection. Got this high bar. It's 20 millimeter by 22 millimeter or 7/8 by 25-30 seconds. In the adjustables, I got this Oxwall. This Oxwall here, and this Proto Los Angeles with a homemade screw. So this will clean up nice, I hope. But yeah, totally can get that cleaned up. And next, this pair of pliers. I think that's like a Lexus or an Acura. I'll have to look it up. Pair of probably auto kit pliers. This crescent tool. Pair of pliers. This Calvan tool spark plug gapper. An old little fuse with two fuses still in it. I just thought the advertising looked cool. I don't know, just found a Champion spark plug to go in the spark plug collection, the spark plug collection. Here is a tool used for opening up battery ends, and I'm going to try to use this German square. It is made in Germany. Yep, right here, Germany. But this will clean up really nice. And I just thought that box looked pretty cool. Little screws. Wood screws. Next, we got some small screwdrivers. This is a Phillips Bridgeport. Phillips. Because I don't think we had enough screwdrivers. Then we got the little twisty one. I'll have to clean this up and put it in with my twisted screwdrivers. Here is Taiwan, little small stubby wood. This is a Stanley number 45, small stubby. Got ourselves a handyman, Stanley. Here, this one doesn't have a name on it, small wood handle screwdriver. We've got this Mac, longer screwdriver. And this length is almost 13 inches. But wait, here's another Mac. And a stubby Mac. So I got 3 more Macs to go with the 2 I already have. So these are the ones from before. This Mac came from Dale at Dale's Workshop. So we got 2 like this. Good for trading. And we got this Phillips Mac that I've showed you in my previous videos. So those are the Mac wood handle. And then I found this, it says made in USA, wood handled. It's like a number 3, maybe even a 4. No other markings that I could see. I'll have to definitely kind of clean it up, but yeah, this one measures 14 inches. So that's a cool score. So I got this Craftsman nut driver, 8mm, as one of my viewers said, and the Scout Crafter, not really a challenge. Nut drivers don't count, but you never really had to put in any tack screws, tech screws, have you? I got this bit holder that it's a Hong Kong, but I just wanted the shaft for a project, because you know, can't have enough projects. Got ourselves a Powercraft flat blade. I have a small collection of Powercraft going on. This, you can't really see it very well. It's a Malco. Yeah, I try to highlight it with pen, silver pen, but that is Malco right there. Nut drive, longer one. This is a Vaco. Let me see if I can get to the Vaco. I'm sorry, Vaco. I need to start pronouncing it correctly. Vaco. It's got a clutch drive on it, but the shaft says Apex. So I wonder if somebody hybrided this together. I don't know. We'll have to look into that. But this is a clutch drive. Those that remember the old Zenith TV, I've got this long Zenith flat blade. And the flat blade measures 11 inches. Next up, we got the Stanley 100 Plus in need of some serious repair. Definitely going to have to fix the tip, but it's fairly straight. So we got that. Here we have this Klein. There you go. Klein Tools. Older. Heavy duty Scout Crafter preferred square shank. Definitely going to have to adjust this. Another bit driver. Stanley. This is a Proto Challenger, or just a Challenger Phillips. We got another Claw in Phillips. And then these two are made in the USA, no real brand on them, but I just like the color. And they're both Phillips. So we'll clean these up. And last but not least, this first aid box, which turned into a handy catch-all for some stuff. So, well, everybody, what'd you think? Hopefully I got some good scores in there. And, yeah, I got some more screwdrivers. Never could have enough screwdrivers. So, hopefully everybody had a good New Year holiday, a good Christmas, and thank you for watching the first tool haul of 2024 for Resto-Rob. So, as always, stay safe, and we will catch you later.